Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another tutorial. I'm going to show you a nice cool trick about how you can look at your disk space usage using a command called du. Well, let's click in the window first, du, and boom. All right, that's not very useful. If you just type in du, and especially if you are pwd, I am in the root directory, so I have all of my subdirectories available in my entire drive. If you do that, this is going to be next to useless because not only do you have so many files and folders, but you also have permission denied issues to deal with. There's a whole bunch of things. So let's clean this up so it actually makes some kind of sense. So first thing I'm going to do is add some options. So du-hsx, hsx, du-hsx. Now, if you do that, you still got some other issues. You got the permission denied, and it's still a lot of information. So the way we can take care of the permission denied is pretty easy. What we're going to do is actually go ahead and send all those errors to the trash where they belong. So you're going to add this option to greater than /dev/null. Let's also add an asterisk. So we pull up everything. So now let's see what this command looks like. And no, we do not use the pipe symbol for this command. So now we're getting something that makes a lot more sense. You can see one of the things we're getting, one of the benefits we're getting is the H for human readable. So we have megabyte and kilobyte and stuff like that. So it makes more sense. It's not crazy talk, right? But it's still a lot of information. So what we're gonna do is do some sorting. We can do that by piping this to the sort command, which is one of my favorite commands. And you can do the RH, and the result will be amazing. So amazing. All right, here we go. Boom. Now we're checking the entire drive, so it'll take a while. But as you can see, we don't have a bunch of permission denied, permission denied, permission denied. We don't have time for no permission denied. We have permission for access granted. So that's what we're going to get. The only thing is, again, we're checking the entire drive from the root, so it's a lot of folders, so it's taking some time. But when we actually do get some results, they're going to be nice and clean and readable. Trust me on that one. And now for the magic of editing. Boom! Look at that. So there we got some results. And as you can see, they're sorted by size. So we have the biggest one being the user directory, of course. That's where most of the files are, under the user folders. And then we have the home directory. We have var, lib. You see the sizes, 5.6 gig, 1.6 gig, 735 megabyte, 431 megabytes. Just going down, 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 down. Loving it up in the elevator when you go. Okay. Anyway, there you have it. So, of course, this is for the entire drive, but if we wanted to do something more sensible, like, say, cd squiggly line, that's home directory. Now, let's run the command and see how much faster it runs, and look at this. Boom! Ha ha! Look how fast that was. So now we got all these files, my fix logs and my output and all this good stuff. So there you have it, pretty simple. So just remember that it is du-hsx asterisk for everything, wildcard, and then to get rid of the errors, we do the whoa, sorry about that, scrolled up a little bit too much. We do the to greater than /dev/null, and then we pipe it. That's the line with the break in the middle that you can't see because this terminal sucks. Not really, but anyway. And then you're gonna pipe that to sort with the -rh option. Now, this, if it was helpful for you, click on the like button, subscribe, and smash that bell because you're gonna wanna watch other awesome videos on this channel. The only way to know when I post videos is if you click on the bell, because if you just subscribe, kind of pointless, because this is YouTube after all, and it's a broken website, all right? Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, learning should always be fun, and that it is right here on this channel. Bonjour, salut, hasta luego, arrivederci. Arrivederci. Whoa, that's a really butchered pronunciation there, buddy.